new destruction video. Yeet! This is, you saw the Roomba destruction on this video. Now this is the Roomba base. This is the different Roomba, but whatever, same thing. Roomba base. Yeet! We have, remember this is from my older destruction videos. Now it's all rusty. I haven't used this for like 2 years. I can see why, because I can't hear now. Okay, we're done with this. Sometimes you just need to go back to the basics and just finish this once and for all. There we go. There's the Roomba base destruction video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.